Why is she sending me this kind of message now? Eh? Hello, babe.
Hello, babe.
What kind of nonsense message are you sending me now? Eh?
What's nonsense about that message? I told you to get us some few things that we need in the house. Baby food is finished. We don't have spag. I even forgot to add bread. Please, you also buy bread when you are coming. No.
What kind of human being are you? Can't you just stand up and go and buy this thing? Must you not send me?
Well, that's your route now. You pass through that place when you are coming back from work. It's not as if you are trekking, you are driving. Just park there and then buy from the shop. It's finished now. Me now, I will have to dress up and start going out to go and buy it. And that's waste of fuel.
If not that you are heartless. You know I went to work since morning. And I'm tired. I need to rest. You are sending me this annoying message. Oga, you go and buy it yourself, oh.
So what, you will just stop and buy from one place? Even me, I might not be working at home since morning. It's not as if I'm the one that wants to eat the food. I'm not telling you to buy dress or buy anything for personal use. It's what you are going to use at home.
Is it that no, I'm not buying, no. Go and sort yourself.
Ha.
What rubbish.
Babe, welcome.
See, never ever send me that kind of message again.
I use a robot in my love.
Rubbish. Take.
Leave water.
If I see you now, I would think maybe you are a nice person and you are not nice at all.
Thank you so much. How much did you buy this baby food, sir?
What kind of question is that? Don't you know the price they sell it? Don't you know the amount that they sell it?
How much now?
I bought it 18.5.
18.5. Ah, this market women. So because it's a man that came to market, they just want to finish you. Something that is 9,000, at most 10,000 naira. 18.5. Ah, no, babe. Just drop your bag. Let's go and return it. No, God forbid.
You are very wicked. You are very heartless. I have to follow you back to the market. And you know that I went to work since morning. I'm tired and I need to rest. See, if you know what is good, just go back there yourself. I'm not going with you.
Ha, babe, nah. This is like time 2. Babe. Ha. Hey, babe. I'm ready to go. Here is the list.
Which list is that again?
List of things I want to buy from the market.
Since when did you start giving me a list?
I'm practicing accountability now. I want to be accountable and responsible. Look at it first now.
Eh? Baby food, 22k, 5 cans. Is this not the same baby food I bought a few days ago that you said it's 9.5 highest 10,000 naira that they cheated me?
Babe, it was actually 9.5 or 10,000. But that day you bought it 18.5 and I thought of it. Maybe they increased the price from the market. And you know the way Nigeria is today. I may go now, they will not say it's 20k or 22k. That's why I just put that 22,000 naira. So I will not go and embarrass myself.
I see what you are doing here. Previously it was the market woman's turn to cheat me. Now today is my wife's turn to cheat me.
No, now, baby, it's not like that now. How can I cheat you? Okay, let's do it like this. Just give me 25k per one. When I go to the market and the price is less than that, I will bring the change for you.
Huh? You return change? Ha!
Oh, babe, now return it.
Since we got married for years now, how many times have you returned change to me?
I've changed. I will return it, I promise. I'm a changed person now.
Okay, I better take.
Mayodaku! Shall you send it to my UBA now? I swallow for you.
I swallow for you too. You wait for Allah tire.
See, I am done with this marriage. I am done. I am never going back. there is nothing anybody will say that will make me change my mind. This marriage is over.
But we want you now. We told you. I don't even know what you saw in that guy.
Is it not love? It was love, oh, but now the scales are falling from my eyes. Ha!
It's okay. It's okay.
Ha!
It's okay. Look at what love has done to you.
Am I the only married woman? This man stresses me. He doesn't listen to me.
But I warned you. I warned you about this guy. You getting married to that guy. But I warned you now. Eh? Love has blinded you that you cannot even see it. You cannot take advice from your friend. The love has blinded you totally. You cannot see anything. Look, just look at my friend. Look at my friend. Look how you're looking straight. What is this? Look at what marriage has done to you. Come and join me in my singlehood. You people will say no. It's as if I'm jealous of you people. That you people are getting married.
I regret the day I met him. I regret the day I agreed to marry him. Ha! This man has shown me shaking.
It's okay.
I would have listened to you guys.
It's okay.
I would have listened.
It's okay. It's okay.
Man, I don't want to say anything. I don't want to say much. You now, you soon get married. So I know that if I'm discouraging you. But if it were up to me, marriage is a no for me.
My dear, you don't even know what is going on. I just found out that he has impregnated another girl.
It's a lie. JJ. Men are wicked.
Men are not come. You push come and join me in my singlehood. And look at me, I'm flying like a bird. I'm enjoying my life. No stress from any man. It's okay, everything will be fine. Just go to the kitchen, look for something to eat and relax, okay? Please.
You just go and look for something to eat. No.
Men are scum.
Are you expecting anybody? It's your husband.
Tell him that I don't want to go. Just tell him to go, that I'm not interested.
Yes? Mr. Man, do you want to break my door? What do you want?
I'm sorry. Good day.
Good day to you too. What do you want?
Please, where is my wife?
Which wife?
She's not here.
QJ, see, I'm very sorry. Just help me beg my wife so that we can go back home.
Why are you such a wicked man to my friend? Do you want to kill my friend?
Imagine.
Since when you people married? Is one complaint or the other? Please, leave my house.
See, I understand you guys are not married, so you will not understand how marriage work. In marriage, you must have misunderstanding and you resolve your issues. Don't worry, when you get married, you will have a better understanding. Just help me beg my wife, please.
You came to my house to insult me.
Imagine.
Right? Just imagine. Please, get out of my house right now. I said get out. Leave my house.
Of that now. How dare you talk to my husband like that? He said he's sorry. What else do you want him to say? Somebody came to you to please help him beg his wife. He's able to say, okay, I will talk to my friend for you. You're not telling him to go shouting at him. Please, don't talk to my husband like that.
Look at somebody I'm trying to help.
Is it because I came to your house? Babe, please, let's go.
Hey, brother, leave my house.
Let's go to our
Please,
house.
people should get out.
Leave my house. But somebody said he's sorry. What else do you want him to
Leave
say?
my house.
Let's go.
Leave my house,
I
please.
blame myself for coming here.
What nonsense? Leave my house. Leave my house.
One man.
Leave my house, you man.
Wonder shall never end.
Nonsense. Look at this shameless guy I'm trying to help. You want to remind me that I'm single? Hey, I will deal with you people.
Hey, QJ. Good evening. Longest time.
Hey dear, good evening, sir.
Evening, QJ, how are you?
I'm good though. How's the family?
Very well, thank you.
Well done.
How is JJ?
That one. Your wife didn't tell you what happened.
No, she didn't tell me anything.
I found out that he impregnated another girl, so we have to call off the wedding, so I just gotta move on.
So sorry about that.
Thank you. Don't worry, God will give you a better one. Yeah, it's better you found out now than finding out in marriage. Yeah, God will give you a better one. No wahala now.
Alright.
Take care now.
Bye.
It's nice running into you. Oh.
Take care, TJ.
Yeah.
Bye. That's what my friend I told you about. I said his wife left him. Yeah.
Solo!
What man?
Marital!
See my brother.
Hey, see my guy.
What's up now?
Afala!
Adi Baba.
Solo!
Afala.
Ah, mama. Good evening. How you fine?
What do I feel now?
That one our whole story now. We don't close our chapter.
What's happen now? I know you.
He not tell you.
No.
Brother, I know not everything that they tell wives now. I just still keep on one low if at all.
She not serious. She be a serious fellow. You can't be married and still be outside. You have to choose one. You understand?
Sorry about that.
It's okay. It is well. May I leave one and I play and I go somewhere.
Yeah,
Oh, Solo.
my brother. That's my G.
Don't shake it now.
Brother.
I know the waffy.
I'll get
Take
you.
care. Alright.
God, you are a very good actor. See the way you pretended as if I've never told you about that his wife ran and left him.
You uncle, do you just pretended as if you didn't know about JJ? Ha, babe. But it's good like that too.
Yeah.
Because you know we are telling each other now, they will not be telling us again.
I swear.
So let's just keep pretending.
See, nothing you want tell me. We are doing one tonight.